The Tekonsha Prodigy P3, setting the bar for excellence when it comes to trailer braking. This proportional brake controller utilizes primary sensor technology to automatically sense how your vehicle is stopping, then applies power to your trailer brakes to match, providing the smoothest braking response in any stopping situation. Upfront push-button controls make it easy to adjust trailer braking preferences, while its distinct trilingual multicolored LCD display lets you easily monitor braking activity on trailers with up to 4 axles. Want options in what you tow? With the P3, you can set and store multiple trailers and drivers, so you can switch between with the push of a button. This compact dash-hugging brake controller also has many of the same great features you've come to know and love from Tekonsha, including a manual override, adjustable power output for customized trailer braking, the ability to work with electric or electric over hydraulic braking systems, 3 levels of boost for additional trailer braking power, especially with heavier loads, a reverse mode to make backing up easier, plus instant diagnostic monitoring and notifications. And when you're done towing, the P3's snap-in dash mounting clip and plug-and-play port for 2 plug adapters allow for quick, easy storage. So go where the road leads, knowing that whatever you're towing, Tekonsha can help you stop it with the Prodigy P3.